And let's do one more example why this might be useful. Let's click on our our tool palette, and we'll go to Cube 3D. We'll hit Make Polymesh 3D. We'll hit W to go into Gizmo Mode. We'll scale this non-uniformly to make that a little bit thinner. And we'll go ahead and hit X to go across X symmetry. We'll hit BS to go into our spiral brush. And we can go ahead and spiral this up. Of course, we want to have Sculptris mode turned on so we get nice, clean spirals around here. Now, if you want the exact same spiral all around this object, what you can do is you can make a spiral, and then you're going to notice up here under Stroke, Modifiers, there's Replay Last Relative, that's Shift 1. You can also replay last, so if you just hit 1, that'll just keep replaying over the exact same stroke. So you're going to see it keeps spiraling in there. However, if you make a spiral and then if you put your brush anywhere else and you do Shift 1, that's going to replay last relative. So you can go around your object and just keep replaying that last stroke, and it'll keep doing exactly that stroke in there. If you want more space in there, you can hit W, go into your gear icon. Let's go ahead and do an extender, and we'll go ahead and do an extender this way. And then over here on this X resolution, we'll go ahead and add some resolution so we have more verts to kind of grab onto. We'll go ahead and say accept, go out of polyframe mode, and then again, if you want to spin it the other way, you can hold down Alt, or you can keep spinning it this way, and then you can we can tap X to go across X symmetry, go ahead and make a new spin, hit Shift 1, and decorate up as needed.